Hello students, welcome to maths class. In last session we have already started with chapter number 2, addition, subtraction and their application. In that session you have studied about addition of large number. So let us continue. Today we will learn subtraction of large number. Now what is subtraction of large number? Subtraction of large number is done in the same way as subtraction of smaller number. In your previous class you have studied about subtraction of smaller number. Now in this year you are going to study about subtraction of large number. It is done in the same way as the subtraction of smaller number. Now how we subtract? We start subtracting from the ones column on the right. Borrow it and regrouping wherever required. Now student, here you have to remember some 3 points. First one, when we subtract 0 from a number, the value of the number does not change. See here, for example, 64,789. When we subtract from 0, the answer does not change. It is the value of the number itself. It does not change. Let us take another example. See here, 23,145 minus 0. So we have subtracted 23,145 from 0. The value of the number does not change. So it is 23,145. Second one, when we subtract number from itself, when we subtract the number from itself, the answer is always 0. Let us take example. See here, 73,657 minus 73,657. See here, both the numbers are same. Means when we subtract any number from itself, same number, the answer is always 0. Let us see second one. 30,157 minus 30,157. Same, this number we have subtracted by itself. So answer is 0. And the third one is when we subtract 1 from a number, the answer is 1 less than the number. Like predecessor. We can say predecessor of a number. For example, see here, 73,657. When we subtract from 1, the answer is 1 less than the number. See here, 1 less, the 7. When we do 1 less from 7, you are getting here 6. So the answer is 73,657 minus 1, you are getting 73,656. Now student, if you want to check the answer, how we can check answer? Add the two number from the bottom, like from 0 and this. If you add this two number, you will get the first number. This is why, because of addition and subtraction are inverse of each other. Now student, let us solve exercise 2.2. Question number 1, solve the following. Now first one is 9,99,999. Now this number is subtracted from 0. Remember our first one rule. When we subtract 0 from a number, the value of the number does not change. So the answer is that the number itself. So answer is 9,99,999. Come on student, just tell the second one. 4,35,678 minus 0. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer is the number itself. That the value of the number does not change. So your answer is 4,35,678. Question number 2. See here student, the sum is given here and you have to subtract. Now how we do? First we start subtracting from ones column on the right, and if you want, we want to borrow and regroup wherever required. Now let's see the ones column. Now this is 7 minus 3. Can we do 7 minus 3? Yes, 7 is bigger than 3. So we can do 7 minus 3. So what is 7 minus 3? Yes, student. 7 minus 3 is 4. Come to the tens place. 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? 1. Come on, next. 9 minus 4. Can we do 9 minus 4? Yes, 9 is bigger number. We can subtract 9 minus 4. So what is 9 minus 4? 5. 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? 2. 9 minus 7. What is 9 minus 7? 2. And 8 minus 2? Come on student, do 8 minus 2? 6. Now let's just check your answer. Okay, now just see your answer. 7 minus 3, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. And 8 minus 2, 6. Now student, you can check your answer. What we will do? We will add the two numbers at the bottom. This and this. These are the two numbers at the bottom. Whatever you will add this, the answer should be the first number. See here, 4 plus 3. So what is the answer 4 plus 3? 7. That means your answer is correct. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 become 2. 5 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4? 9. 2 plus 3. 5. 2 plus 7 or 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 6 plus 2 is 8. In this way you can check your answer. Why this happened? Because the reason behind is what? This is because addition and subtraction are inverse of each other. Let's do the next one. Yes. We'll start from ones column. 8 minus 3. What is 8 minus 3? Can we do? Yes. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 9. Can we do 9 minus 9? Yes. 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay student. Can we do 1 minus 7? No. We cannot do 1 minus 7. Because 1 is smaller number. From 1 we cannot cut 7. So in such case what we'll do? We will borrow from the next column, which is higher column. So from here you will give 10 to here. So this will become your 11. 1 will become your 11. And this 2, as you have given here 2, 1. So this will become as a 1 here. Now this will be like 1 minus 6. So you will borrow. Again 1 minus 6 you cannot do. So you will borrow from next place. So from 3, this will become as a 11. And from 3 as we have given, so this will become 2. What is left here? 2. And can we do 2 minus 1? Yes. So you can do here, and 8 directly you can write down. Just check your answer. See here student, what we have done. We have borrowed from 2 here, it got it 11. Again 2 will become here 1. We have borrowed here, so this will become 11. And this will become 2. And your answer is like this way. 8 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. 11 minus 7, 4. 11 minus 6 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 8, your known number, so you will take here directly 8. Now you can check your answer. 5 plus 3, 8. 0 plus 9, 9. 7 plus 4 or 4 plus 7. Come on, what is the answer? 7 plus 4? 11. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. And this is 8. So student, you understood how we are doing subtraction and how we borrow and regroup wherever required. Let's see the fourth one. Okay student, here, look here. First number is 1 minus 5. Can we do 1 minus 5? No. So what we'll do? We'll borrow from 8. This one will become here 11. Now, Here we can do 11 minus 5. Now as we have given from 8 here 1, so 8 will become 1 less. So this will become your 7. Okay, come to the next column. We will subtract this afterward. First let's check whether we can do it or not, and if it is not, we will borrow. Okay, can we do 2 minus 6? No, again we cannot do 2 minus 6. So what we'll do? We'll borrow from here. 3 minus 9. So from 3 we will use. So it will become, from 3 we have cut. So 2 has become here 12, and this 3 will become 1 less. So it will be 2, and again 2 minus 9 we cannot do. So we have given from 9 here. So this become 12, and 9 become 1 less. So this will become here 8. Now we can do 8 minus 4. So no need to borrow from here. We'll do directly 8 minus 4, and then we'll do 7 minus 2. So your answer is 11 minus 5, 6. Or you can do 6 plus 5, 11. 7 minus 3, 4. 12 minus 6, 6. 12 minus 9, 3. 8 minus 4. Come on student, what is 8 minus 4? 4. Yes, come on. 7 minus 2, 5. Let's see the next one. Come on student, just try to do by your own. I am giving you few minutes, just solve it, and then I will explain again, and I will show you the answer. Copy down the question. Copied everyone? Come on, start solving. Think, can we do 5 minus 7? Start doing from here, ones column. Yes, you cannot do 5 minus 7. So what you will do? You will borrow from the tens place. So it will become, 5 will become here 15, and 1 will become 1 less. So 1 minus 1 will become here 0. Again, as here it will be 0. 0 minus 6 can we do? No. So you will borrow from here. So this 0 will become here 10. And this 9 will become 1 less. So this will be 8. Again 8 minus 9 you cannot do. So what you will do? You will borrow from here. So this 8 will become here 18. And this 2 will become 1 less. So 1. Again, can we do 1 minus 0? Yes. So no need to borrow from here. So directly think here. 3 minus 0 can we do? Yes. And 9 minus 4? Yes. So solve this. What is 15 minus 7? Come on, do the student. 15 minus 7. Then 10 minus 6. Then 18 minus 9. Done. Come on, come to the next place. 1 minus 0. 3 minus 0. And 9 minus 4. Just check your answer. You got this answer here. 8, 4, 9, 1, 3, 5. 15 minus 7, 8. 10 minus 6, 4. 18 minus 9, 9. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 0, 3. And 9 minus 4 become 5. Very good. Come on. Let's do the next one. Now the next one. Okay students, see here. Can we do 0 minus 9? Again we cannot do. Come to the next one. Again here 0 is there. Nothing is there. So you cannot do here 0 minus 9. Come to the next place, 100 place. Again here 0 minus 9 we cannot do. Come to the next place. 0 minus 9 we cannot do. Come to next. 0 minus 0 we can do, but here there is no 0. So we will come to here. 6 minus 3. Yes, you can do. So what we'll do? We'll borrow from here and we will give to this place. So what we'll do? Yes, we have from 6 we have given here, so this 0 will become 10 here. Now from this 10 we will borrow we will give it to this number. So this number will borrow from here. So yes, from 10 it is given here. So 0 plus 10 become 10. Again from here we will give to here. Again this 0 will become here 10. Again this 0 will become here 10. And again this 0 will become here 10. Now look here. We can do 10 minus 9. Yes, we can do 10 minus 9. So we will write down 10 minus 9. What the answer? 1. Now this 10, from 10 we have given 10 here. So this number become 1 less. So this will become here 9. Okay. Now can we do 9 minus 9? Yes. So you will write down here 0. Now this 10, again it become 1 less. So it will become here 1 less. 10 minus 1 become 9. Again 9 minus 9 you can do. So your answer is 9 minus 9 become 0. Now again this 10 will become 1 less. So your answer is 9. Again come to the next one. Again here it is 10. 10 will become 1 less, which is 9. And the 6 will become 1 less. So it will become 5. Okay. Now this we have done regrouping. Now we will subtract 1 by 1. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. And 5 minus 3 will become here 2. Very good. So student, you understood when there are zeros, how we subtract? We first see whether we can do 0 minus 9. No. Come to the next 0 minus 9. Come to the next place 0 minus 9. From where we can borrow, from there we start. Okay. Let's do now 7th one. Okay, this is your question. Now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to check whether you can subtract the number. Okay, just see here. 0 minus 5. Yes, 0 is small number, 5 big number. You cannot do small minus big number. So come to the next place. Again here 0 minus 9. You are not supposed to do 0 minus 9. So come to the 100th place. Again here 0 minus 6. You cannot do. So come to next place. So now next place is 5 minus 5. Yes, you can do it 5 minus 5. So what you will do? You will borrow from here. This 100 place will borrow from 1000 place. So this 5 will become, 5 will give you 1. So this with 0 will become here 10. Okay. Now here 10 is there. Here 10 is there. So from 10 we will give here. So this will become here 10. Again this 0 will borrow from here. From 10. So here this will become 10. Okay. Now you can do here 10 minus 5. Now this 10 will become 1 less. So this will become your 9. Now 9 minus 9 can we do? Yes, we can do it 9 minus 9. So come to the next one. Now this 10 will become 1 less. So 10 minus 1 will become here 9. Okay. 9 minus 6 we can do? Yes, we can do it 9 minus 6. So come to the next place. Now next place is here 5. 5 will become 1 less. So 5 minus 1 will become 4. So 4 minus 5 you cannot do. So we borrow from here. So 3 will become here 2. Again 2 minus 4 you cannot do. So you have borrowed from here. So 2 will become here 12. And now this 8 will become 1 less. So 8 minus 1 will become here 7. 7 minus 3 you can do it. So directly you can do it now 9 minus 2. So your answer is 10 minus 5 will become here 5. 9 minus 9 become here 0. Yes, 9 minus 6 student. What is 9 minus 6? 3. 14 minus 5. 9. 12 minus 4. 8. 7 minus 3. 4. It's what is 9 minus 2? 7. Yes student, let's do the 8th one. Now this is your question. Come on student, I am giving you few minutes. Just solve it. Start writing question. written question. Now just think whether you can subtract. If you cannot subtract, borrow, regroup, and then we will subtract. Yes, done. Just check. 8 minus 5. You cannot do. Sorry, you can do 8 minus 5. Come to the next one. 0 minus 9. No, we cannot do 0 minus 9. So what we'll do? We'll borrow from here. So 0 will become here 10. 10 minus 9 we can do it, which is 1. Now this 6 we cannot do. So 6 will become 1 less, which will become your 5. 5 minus 8 you cannot do. So this 5 we will borrow from here. So this 5 will become your 15. And now this 9 will become 1 less. So 9 minus 1 will become your 8. Now you can do 8 minus 3. So no need to borrow from here. So just think now 4 minus 9. Again 4 is small. You cannot subtract 4 minus 9. So what we'll do? We'll borrow from here. So this 4 will become here 14. And now this 3 will become 1 less, which will become here 2. Now 2 minus 6 you cannot do. So we'll borrow from here. So this number will become your 12. And this 9 will become 1 less, which is 8. So now we have done this, we have borrowed, we have regrouped. Now we will subtract 8 minus 5. You can start counting from 6 till 8. 6, 7, 8. So your answer is here 3. 10 minus 9, 1. 15 minus 8. What is 15 minus 8? You can count from 9 to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers came? 7. So your answer is 7. So 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 fingers. So your answer is here 5. 14 minus 9, 5. 12 minus 6, 6. And finally this 8. Here no number. So directly we will write on this 8 as it is. Student, you have completed this 8th one. Now let's come to the next question, which is 9. Now here the question is written. Student, again try to solve by your own. I am giving you few minutes. Come on, start writing question. Completed question. Now think whether you can subtract. If you cannot subtract, borrow, regroup. Come on. Done, regroup. Borrow, just check. 7 minus 9, no, you cannot do 7 minus 9. Come to the next one. From here you will give. So this 7 will become here 17. Now this 7 will become 1 less. So here it will be 6. 6 minus 9 you cannot do. So you will borrow from here. So this 6 will become here 16. Now this 8 will become 1 less, which will become 8 minus 1 becomes 7. Again 7 minus 9 you cannot do. So you will borrow from here. So this 7 will become your 17. Now this 9 will become 1 less. So which is now 8. 8 minus 9 you cannot do. So you have borrowed from here. So 8 has become here 18. Now this 6 will become 1 less. So which is here 5. Again 5 minus 9 you cannot do. So we will borrow from here. So this 5 will become here 15. Again 4 will become 1 less, which is 3. 3 minus 4 you cannot do. So we will borrow from here. So this 3 will become here 13. And 9 will become here 8. Now let's do subtraction. Come on student, do 17 minus 9. You cannot do 17 minus 9. Count from 10 to 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers came? 8. So your answer is Count again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. So your answer is here 8. Next count. 16 minus 9. Count from 10 to 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So your answer is 7 fingers came. So your answer is 7. Now 17 minus 9. Already you have done 17 minus 9. 8. So write down here 8. Now 18 minus 9. 10 to 18. How many fingers came? 9. So your answer is 9. Come on, do 15 minus 9. Similarly, do 13 minus 4 and 8 minus 2. Now let's do the next question, 10. So in the 10th one, what is given? The question is given in a horizontal way and we have to subtract. Now student, what we will do? We will arrange these two numbers in a vertical form according to place value chart, one below to other, and then we will subtract. Now look here, this is given like, see, if you see here 6 digit number, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 5, so we'll start from like 0 2 3. Look here, 0 2 3 and then 4 6 4 6. So we have written this properly according to place value chart, and now we will subtract one by one. Now students, see here, 1 minus 0. Yes, can we do a 1 minus 0? Yes. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Come to the next one. 2 minus 2 we can do? Yes. Come to the next one. 9 minus 3? Yes, we can do 9 minus 3. Come to the next. 4 minus 4? Yes, we can do 4 minus 4. Come to the next one. 3 minus 6. Can we do 3 minus 6? No. So what we will do? We will borrow from here. So this 3 will become 13 and this 7 will become 1 less, which is 6. Yes, we have done this. We have checked and just write down now answer. Subtract it one by one. 1 minus 0 become 1. 2 minus 2 become 0. 9 minus 3 will become 6. 4 minus 4, 0. 13 minus 6, 7. And finally this 6 will write down as it is. Student, you have understood when the sum is given in a horizontal way, arrange it in a vertical form, and as usual how we do subtract. According to that we have to do the subtraction. Let's do the 11th one. Yes, come on student. The question is the two numbers are given in a horizontal way. Now you arrange it according to vertical way and then subtract. Come on, start doing. After a few minutes I will explain you. Let's check whether you have arranged properly. Yes student, you have done like this way. About just think whether you can subtract or not first. If you can't, borrow from the next column and then finally do the subtraction. Okay, let's see. 3 minus 3 you can do? Yes. Come to the next one. 9 minus 6 can we do? Yes, you can subtract 9 minus 6. 8 minus 9? No, we cannot do 8 minus 9 because 8 is smaller number. From smaller number we cannot subtract bigger number. So in such case what we will do? We will borrow from next place. So this will become from 6. Yeah, it is even. So 8 is borrowed from 6. So this 8 will become here 18. Now 5 will become, 6 will become 1 less, which is 5. Now think. Can we do 5 minus 4? Yes, we can do 5 minus 4. Come to the next one. 4 minus 8. Again, we cannot do here 4 minus 8. So what we'll do? We will borrow from here. So this 9 will become here 8 and 4 will become here 14. Yes, we have done this all. Now we will subtract one by one. Write down 3 minus 3. What is 3 minus 3? Come on student, write down. Yes, 0. When we subtract the number from itself, The answer is always 0. So your answer is 0. 9 minus 6. Come on student. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is 9 minus 6? 3. 18 minus 9. What is 18 minus 9? You can start from 10. Count on your finger till 18. How many fingers come? That will be the answer. So your answer is, what is the answer? 9. Very good. Come to the next one. 5 minus 4. Yes, this is very simple. 1 less. 5 minus 4 will become 1. 14 minus 8. Start counting from 9 till 14. What is the answer? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6. So your answer is 6. Here. And 8. You will write down as it is. So your answer is 3 minus 3 0. 9 minus 6 3. 18 minus 9 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. 14 minus 8 is 6. And 8. I hope student you have understood this very well. Try the next one. Try to do the next one, which is 12th one. Yes, come on. This already we have done in 6th one. It is same, just the number is changed. Come on, first arrange it in a vertical form and then borrow wherever is required, regroup, and then do the subtraction. Come on student, do it fast. Yes, just check. We have written this according to place value chart properly. 9 0 0 0 0 0, then 8 3 9 6 4. Now borrow the number wherever is required. 0 minus 8, again here 0 minus 3, borrow from here, again borrow from here, borrow from here. 0 minus 4 also you cannot do, as here 0 is there, so we have to borrow from next place always. So here 9 is there, so from 9 the 0 will become here 10. Again from this 10 will give to here, so this will become 10. Again from this 10 it will come here, so this will become your 10. Again from 10 give it to here, so this will become your 10. Again from here 10 you will give it to here, so this will become your 10. Now here we can do first 10 minus 8. Now as here from 10 you have given here 1, so this will become 1 less, so which will become your 10 minus 1 will become your 9. Again here 10 will become 9. Again this 10 will become 1 less, which is 9. Again this 10 will become 1 less, which is 9. And again this 9 will become 8. Now we have completed this process. Now we will subtract. Yes. 10 minus 8. What is 10 minus 8? 2. 9 minus 3. How much is 9 minus 3? 6. 9 minus 9. We have subtracted the same number, so your answer is 0. 9 minus 6. 3. 9 minus 4, 5. And here last one, what will be the answer? 8. So your answer is 10 minus 8 will become your 2. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. And this 8. 13th one. Come on student. It is same like 12. Start doing. First arrange it properly in a vertical form, column, according to place value, and then borrow it wherever required, and then subtract. Just see. Yes, you have written this. in a vertical form. Again look here, 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9, 0. See here student, we are subtracting with the zeros. Now straight away here 0 is not given, so we will borrow from here. So this 0 will become here 10, again this 0 will become 10, 0 will become 10 as we borrow from here, this 0 will become here 10, this 0 will become here 10, and this 10 will become here 9, this 10 will become here 9, again this 10 will become here 9, again 10 will become 1 less, which is 9, and this 7 will become here 1 less, which is 6. Now student, one thing if you notice, wherever these zeros are there, except this one's 1. Now this 1 0, whenever it is given first 1 0, that will become 10, and rest all are becoming here 9. If you observe, see here, the first one is here 10 and rest one is here 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, subtract it now. 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, 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 and 6 minus 2 is 4. I hope you have understood how to subtract with zeros. Let's do the next one. Now 14th one is given again in a horizontal way. First write down in a vertical form according to place value. Borrow, regroup wherever required. Come on student, just start solving. Hey student, should I start doing? Have you completed? Have you arranged it in a vertical form? Just check it. Yes. Think from the ones column. Yes, 3 minus 2. Yes, we can do 3 minus 2. Come to the next one, 0 minus 8. Yes, you cannot do 0 minus 8. So what we'll do, we'll borrow from here. So this 0 has become here 10 and 4 will become here 3. Again 3 minus 1 we can do here. So no need to borrow. Think here. 8 minus 7. Yes, we can do 8 minus 7. Come to the next one. 1 minus 0 also we can do. And finally 5 minus 4 is also we can do. So just subtract it now. This is very simple. Yes. Check your answer. 3 minus 2 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 5 minus 4 is 1. Very good. Come on student. Do the 15th one. Yes, come on, this is the number. Arrange it in a horizontal, column wise. Subtract from the column wise on the right. Borrow, regroup wherever required. Okay. In this way you have done according to place value numbers. Now check whether you can subtract. Yes. 5 minus 9. No, you cannot do 5 minus 9. So you will borrow from here. So 5 will become here 15. And 1 will become less. So this will become here 0. Again 0 minus 8 you cannot do. So you borrow from here. So 0 will become 10. And the 7 will become 1 less, which is 6. Think over. 6 minus 2 you can do. Yes. Come to the next one. 8 minus 6 can we do? Yes, you can do 8 minus 6. Come to the next one. 0 minus 7, again we cannot do 0, we cannot subtract with 0, so we'll borrow from here. So the 0 will become 10 and this 9 will become 1 less, which is 8. And now start doing subtraction one by one. 15 minus 9, from 10 count on finger till 15. How many fingers will come? That will be the answer. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is your answer? 6. Very good. Then 10 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 2. 6 minus 2, this is very simple. 4. Come to next. 8 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 2. So your answer is here 2. 10 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. So your answer is here 3. And 8 minus 3, 5. So your answer is, just check. Come on. Let's do 16th one. Now 16th one, this is the question. Which is 7-digit number. Arrange it. Come on, write down this number. Now what we are supposed to do? Hey student, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to arrange it in a vertical form according to place value. Okay, this way we have done. Think over. Yes, 8 minus 6. Yes, we can do it. 8 minus 6. Come to next. 0 minus 1. No, you cannot do 0. We cannot subtract with 0. So we will borrow from here. So 0 will become here 10 and 7 will become 1 less, which is 6. Can we do 6 minus 4? Yes, we can do 6 minus 4. Come to the next one. 9 minus 8. Yes, 9 minus 8. 1. We can do it. Come to next. 2 minus 1. Yes, answer is 1. We can do it. Come to the next. 3 minus 9. Oh, 3 small number. We cannot subtract with big number. So we will borrow from here. 3 will become your 30 and this 4 will become 1 less, which is 3. Now we will subtract one by one. One's column on the right and we will go to higher place value. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 1, 9. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 13 minus 9, 4. And 3 minus 2 will become here 1. Very good. Now student, the next one is 17th one, which is the last question. Now I hope you have understood this very well. We have done 16 sum and all the sums I have explained it very well. I hope you have understood it very well. Let me check whether you have understood or not. Do the last one of 17th one by your own. And finally, I will show you the correct answer. Come on student, start it. Write down the number. Come on, return. Write fast. Now what you will do? You will arrange it in vertical form. Come on, start doing vertical form. Yes, just check whether you have done it properly. Now think of subtraction. From where to borrow? If it is necessary, where to borrow, regroup and then subtract. I think student you have completed your sum. Just check your first borrowing. Yes, you have done here. First check. Everybody has done this. Now check your final answer. I hope your answer is correct. Okay student, this was our last sum and I think everyone's answer is correct. And I hope you have understood it very well. And today now we'll end our session and we'll continue the next word problem on addition and subtraction in our next lesson. Thank you.